How to edit a birth date on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to update or edit your birth date, it is possible. First of all, head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Snapchat. If there's an update button available, tap on it so that the download and installation will start. Once the download and installation is completed, launch the Snapchat application and you will be logged in into your account. If not, make sure to log in into your preferred account. Then after tap on your Bitmoji which is on the top left corner. Once you tap on it, tap on the settings or the gear icon which is on the top right corner. Here you will see the birthday option. Click on your birth year or date and then you should be able to choose the month, the year and the date. Once confirmed, tap on continue and tap on OK to change it. But keep in mind, you can only change your date of birth for a limited number of times. So, if you have already used all of your chances of changing the birth date, you might not be able to edit your birth date further. So, that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.